From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of using a worn-out remote control for your adjustable bed base? Well, I've got the solution for you. Introducing the new replacement remote control compatible from Zyme, the perfect fix for your RF370 ECU 358-2 adjustable bed base. This top-rated remote control is a bestseller and highly rated, with thousands of customers swearing by its performance. The moment you hold it in your hands, you'll notice the sleek design and smooth texture, making it a joy to use every night. When you press the buttons, you'll hear a satisfying click, and the response is instant, adjusting your bed to the perfect position. The new replacement remote control is designed to fit your RF370 ECU 358-2 adjustable bed base like a glove, ensuring a seamless user experience. You'll love the feel of the remote control gliding across your bedside table, and the sound of the bed adjusting to your desired position is music to your ears. This remote control is not just a replacement, it's an upgrade, providing you with a reliable and efficient way to control your bed. Imagine being able to adjust your bed to the perfect position every night, without any hassle or frustration. The service from Zyme is also top-notch, with a dedicated team ready to help you with any questions or issues you may have. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its ease of use and compatibility. It's the perfect solution for anyone looking to replace their old remote control, and it's easy to see why it's so popular. With its perfect compatibility, sleek design, and instant response, this remote control is a game changer. So why wait? Get your new replacement remote control from Zyme today and start enjoying a better sleep experience. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.